my name is Jada Hope. I'm one of the attendees here at the New Media exhibition, where we have multiple displays on the bridge between digital technology and art. So each screen has its own artist, a multitude of their work. For example, over here we have Odell Warner. He deals a lot with like 3D sculpting and whatnot, and he would have actually hosted a workshop yesterday on how to utilize Blender in order to create. Behind me, we have David Gumbs and Vince Frazier. They also had workshops. David Gumbs' workshop was on Monday, and he would have actually taken the attendees through how to utilize Isadora in terms of making interactive art. So as you can see here, this is a depiction of him moving, and the cosmic flowers sort of follow him around, and it kind of feels like that blend between nature and movement. And this here is Vince Frazier, and his work utilizes AI, which in this day and age can be considered controversial. But he has the stance that as creators we shouldn't kind of fear the utilization and the progression of technology. So he believes AI can be used as an effective tool in the process of creating. So in this display we have quite a wide range of how digital media can impact art and play a role in the creation of art that has depth and meaning.